I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change antifreeze in your Dodge Ram 1500. First, gather your essential tools and supplies. You will need a large drain pan, a wrench, and the correct type of new coolant. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns from hot coolant or steam. Locate the radiator drain plug, usually at the bottom of the radiator, and identify your coolant reservoir. Now let's drain the old coolant. Position your large drain pan directly under the radiator drain plug to catch all the fluid. Carefully open the drain plug, and then remove the radiator cap to allow air to enter, which helps the coolant drain faster and more completely. Let the system drain for at least 15 to 20 minutes, ensuring all the old, used coolant is out of the system. After draining, it's time to flush the system. Close the radiator drain plug tightly. Fill the radiator with distilled water, then replace the cap. Start the engine and let it run for about 10 minutes with the heater on high to circulate the water. Turn off the engine, let it cool, and then drain the water. Repeat this flushing process until the drained water appears completely clear, indicating a clean system. Finally, let's refill and perform final checks. Ensure the radiator drain plug is secure. Fill the radiator with the recommended new antifreeze, typically a 50/50 mix. Fill the coolant reservoir to the cold fill line. Start the engine, let it warm up, and check for any leaks. After the engine cools, recheck the coolant level in both the radiator and reservoir, topping off as necessary to maintain proper levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.